Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix your account cannot be created at this time. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is try to create Apple ID with the browser. Many users are used to getting up Apple ID through settings on iPhone. In fact, there is over one way to do this. When you receive the message that your account cannot be created at this time on your iPhone, you can turn to set it up with your computer. This can also ensure there is no sudden interruption in your data usage, and you are done. And the next step is check your network connections. If your iPhone is not connected to active network, you may fail to create an Apple ID. Check your network connection via the Wi-Fi and cellular data icons. Open the control center on your iPhone and then tap the airplane mode button. Then hit on it again to disable it. After that, you can try to create a new Apple ID on your iPhone again, and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. Restarting iPhone can also be helpful to you when you could not create an Apple ID. When your iPhone encounters various system issues, restarting iPhone can be an effective method for you. You can first turn off your iPhone by going to settings. Scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom. From here tap on shutdown and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. Sometimes some wrong settings on your iPhone can lead to this error. Thus resetting all settings could be conductive for you to fix your iPhone. To conduct it, head over the settings. Scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. From here tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset your network settings, and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. Another method to fix your account cannot be created at this time is updating your iPhone. You had better back up your device to avoid losing your data. You can go to the settings app. Scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. In case there is an available system version, tap on down and install followed by install now. When the update finished, you can check and see if you can set up a new Apple ID now, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of your account cannot be created at this time, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.